Let's see. We just changed oil on this at 100 miles. We did that 100-mile break-in, but anyway, so the oil reset light finally came on. So let's see if we can get this reset. So somebody said you just turn the key on, let it cycle through. There's the maintenance light. Okay, so we just click on this till we get to settings and hold it in. Reset maintenance. So let's hold that in. Now let's go back and okay, now we'll shut the key back off. Wait for it to cycle through, and hopefully the reset light is off. Somebody answer that quick. Alright, we just gotta wait for that to shut off. There she goes. Alright, let's see what happens. Look at that. No more reset maintenance. So that's it. That's how you reset your oil maintenance light. You don't even have to take it in to get it done. Alright, thanks for watching.